Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just so you know, this is based on my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Rise Broadband, found at https://www.risebroadband.com. They're a fixed wireless internet provider, which means they use radio waves to transmit data to your home, as opposed to cable or fiber optic lines. This can be a great option for people in rural areas or places where traditional internet infrastructure is lacking. Rise Broadband boasts some pretty impressive coverage across a number of states, so it's worth checking their website to see if they service your location. One of the key things you'll want to consider with any internet provider is speed. Rise Broadband offers a variety of plans with different speed tiers. It's essential to choose a plan that aligns with your household's internet usage. Think about how many devices you typically have connected and what you use the internet for. Are you a casual browser, or do you stream 4K video, play online games, and work from home? These factors significantly impact how much speed you'll need. Another important factor to consider is pricing. Compare Rise Broadband's plans and prices with those of other providers in your area. Look for promotional offers and be sure to understand what the regular price will be after any introductory period expires. Don't forget to factor in any installation fees or equipment rental costs. Hidden fees can sometimes add up, so it's always best to be fully informed upfront. Finally, customer service is a critical aspect of any service provider. Research Rise Broadband's customer service reputation. Online reviews can provide valuable insights into the experiences of other customers. Look for information about response times, problem resolution, and overall customer satisfaction. Finding a provider with reliable and responsive customer support can make a big difference, especially if you encounter technical issues or billing questions. Remember to explore their website thoroughly for details on their plans, coverage, and customer support information. Choosing the right internet provider can be a big decision, so taking the time to research and compare your options is crucial for a positive online experience.